how to fix iPhone battery drain issue. So let's get started. First thing, open the settings app on your mobile device. Now inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, simply tap on the background app refresh. Then turn off background app refresh for apps that don't need to run in the background, or you can simply turn it off entirely or disable it for this specific app according to your preferences, but here I'm toggling it off totally. Now after you do that, go back to the settings again, and inside settings tap on the battery option available there. Then tap on the battery health and charging. After you tap on the battery health and charging, you can see the maximum capacity of your battery, and also make sure that your optimized battery health is toggled on. After that, again go back to the settings, and now inside the settings scroll and tap on the general option available there. Then simply tap on the software update and install the latest available update, as software update often contain fixes for bugs that could cause battery drain. After you see any update, tap on the install and install it. Lastly, go back to the settings general again, scroll down, tap on the transfer or reset, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, passwords, wallpaper and more, but won't delete your data. This can sometimes resolve software issues causing battery drain. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.